Hi, I'm sitting here with Shane, the owner of Botanics of Melbourne, and while we're setting up the room, I thought it would be great to have a little chat about our creative process, how we work together, how we collaborate. Shane, what could you tell to someone who is in the corporate world but is not an event manager and they want to brief you as a supplier? What are the key things, if they come to you, that they need to have?
A bit of a general idea. Sometimes we get hit with like, oh, we don't know what we want, like just make it happen. You need to understand a bit of the direction that they want to head in. That's why people like you are always great, because you're often in the middle of that and you can decipher a lot of that, and then we get given the job, which is great. You know, sometimes just a colour palette can work really well. I do the 2 a.m. flower market, so I hit the ground running and source sort of the best thing at the time. So having to like match an exact image of something, it never really happens in the natural world, but we translate the vibe of it and get that flow happening. And budgets are good. Like sometimes corporates can be a bit cagey about giving you a budget, and it just draws the process out, because at the end of the day we do deliver the best possible outcome for that budget. So you just can streamline things and get the ball moving a lot quicker.
And where does your creative process come from? So when you go to the market at 2 a.m, how do you know like which flowers to pick, what to do? Because obviously, you know, I've sent you a beautiful mood board for today, but you've done about 45 different arrangements. None of them look the same, but they still somehow talk to the same vision. So where do you get those creative juices?
It's hard at 2 a.m. to have creative juices, but they do come. When I hit the ground running and I can see something that's in the same shape or form or colour, I can source what's the best at the time. Having that sort of creative freedom, but translating the vibe so that the client's still very happy with the end result.
Well, thank you. I just wanted to play a last little game with you. So I'm going to give you 2 options and you need to choose. So would you choose between flowers or plants?
Ooh, I can't choose. I love them both. That's mean. I love flowering plants. There you go.
Thank you so much, Shane.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thanks for your time, and thank you for all the amazing flowers that we have today.
We love working with you, Damien. You're always a joy, seriously.
And honestly, I'm going to tell you a bit of a secret. Why I particularly enjoy working with you is because you are mostly generous and reliable, and those are the things for me personally as an event producer that make my life 10 times easier. Having people who get back to you on emails on time, show up on time, and do an amazing job on budget, like I can just go blind, and I never do. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.